Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into some incredible leaks surrounding the DJI Air 4. If these rumors hold, the Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases in recent years, with substantial upgrades in design, flight performance, and camera technology. DJI is again setting the stage for a revolutionary product, and early leaks suggest that the Air 4 might share features with the highly anticipated Mavic 4, indicating a leap in drone capabilities. New design and structural upgrades. One of the most eye-catching leaks comes from renowned drone insider Jasper Ellens, who recently shared an image of what appears to be a crashed prototype of the DJI Air 4. This leaked image provides a sneak peek at the drone's potential design changes, and one noticeable aspect is a more robust frame and arm structure compared to the Air 3. If these enhancements make it to the final version, we can expect increased durability and stability during flight, which is a major plus for professional and recreational pilots alike. Another intriguing design shift is the rumored integration of a more unified sensor system, possibly aligning with features from the DJI Mavic 4. The leaked prototype also includes a dual sensor setup and an LED beacon, hinting at improved safety features for nighttime flights. One of the most significant speculations is the possible inclusion of LiDAR-based obstacle detection, which would revolutionize how drones navigate complex environments. Upgraded camera system and cinematic capabilities. Drone photography enthusiasts are in for a treat as rumors suggest that the DJI Air 4 will feature a groundbreaking dual camera system. Reports indicate that DJI may introduce dual 1-inch sensors, which would significantly improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. If true, this would represent a major step up from the Air 3's camera setup, making the Air 4 a serious competitor to professional aerial photography drones. Another exciting leak suggests that DJI might incorporate a variable aperture, giving pilots more control over exposure settings to capture more cinematic shots. Additionally, the possibility of a mechanical shutter is being discussed, which would be a game-changer for professionals looking to minimize motion distortion. The Air 4 could also introduce 4K video recording at higher frame rates, enhanced HDR capabilities, and richer color profiles, ensuring top-tier footage for content creators. Revolutionary obstacle avoidance system. Safety and intelligent flight features have always been a priority for DJI, and the Air 4 could take things a step further. The rumored full 360-degree obstacle detection powered by LiDAR sensors could provide one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series. Unlike previous models that relied on multiple wide-angle cameras, this shift to LiDAR could dramatically improve object detection accuracy, even in low-light conditions or complex environments. If DJI follows through with these advancements, pilots could experience safer flights with more precise obstacle tracking and smoother automated flight paths. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, these safety enhancements will undoubtedly make the Air 4 one of the most reliable drones on the market. Extended battery life and enhanced flight performance. Battery life has always been a critical factor in drone usability, and according to leaks, the Air 4 could see significant improvements in this area. Reports suggest a battery life boost, potentially pushing flight times up to 50 minutes, surpassing the Air 3's impressive 46-minute endurance. If accurate, this would make the Air 4 one of the longest-flying drones, giving pilots more time to capture stunning footage without frequent recharges. In addition to battery improvements, DJI is rumored to be refining its OcuSync transmission technology, promising enhanced connectivity, better signal stability, and longer-range video transmission. These enhancements would be especially beneficial for professional drone operators who require seamless real-time video streaming during flights. Expected release date and pricing. So, when can we expect the DJI Air 4 to hit the market? Based on DJI's usual release cycle and recent leaks, a late 2025 launch seems likely. DJI typically updates the Air series every 2 years, so this time frame aligns well with past trends. As for pricing, the Air 3 debuted at around $1,099, and while the Air 4 might stay within a similar price range, there's a possibility of a slight price increase if DJI introduces premium features. Considering the potential upgrades in sensor technology, flight performance, and obstacle avoidance, the Air 4 could offer tremendous value for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. However, DJI has yet to confirm these details, so we'll have to wait for official announcements to get a clearer picture. Final thoughts. Is the Air 4 worth the hype? If these leaks turn out to be true, the DJI Air 4 could redefine what's possible for mid-range drones. With an advanced dual-camera system, LiDAR-powered obstacle detection, extended battery life, and improved flight performance, the Air may be one of the most compelling drone releases to date. But what do you think? Are these rumored features enough to convince you to upgrade from the Air 3? Or are you waiting for the official specs before making a decision? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates on the DJI Air 4 and other exciting tech news. Stay tuned for more.